Hi, I'm Alex, product specialist at DailyBot, and in this video I'll show you how to fully utilize Kudos, whether you're a remote, hybrid, or in-person company. I'll show you some initiatives and fun ways that we can utilize Kudos to create a better work environment. So Kudos are very simple. They are a quick way to congratulate or give your appreciation to somebody in your team, whether it is because they went out of the way to help you, or because they did some very outstanding work, or because they are just very great and give great vibes to work with. How we utilize Kudos is very simple. We just utilize this very simple syntax in our DailyBot DMs. What we do is we type in kudos to, we put in the name of the person we want to give kudos. So in this case, I'm giving kudos to Hagrid. And we can add a for, and we can write a little message as to why we're giving kudos. So I'm going to give kudos to Hagrid for being the best teammate and having the best vibes. After we do this, DailyBot would prompt us to select a team value, which is something that we would talk about in a second. And once we select it, it is done. A thing that we can do with kudos straight up is we can create a channel where we will display these kudos. So here we have a kudos channel where we are displaying all the kudos that are being given or received, and other people can join in on the fun with the kudos. So if we see somebody doing a great job and they were given kudos by somebody else, we can also come here and we can, with the click of a button, give them kudos as well. It's very easy to set up. We just go here, we go on settings after the three dots, and then we can select a channel where we can share all these kudos. Kudos get the most interesting in how we can create strategies and incentives to make it a workspace where we are incentivized to give and receive kudos. So we are doing a better job to receive more kudos, and we are giving more kudos to make it a better work environment where everybody is being recognized, and we are creating a community within our workspace. A very easy thing that we can do is we can reward our top kudos performers with company swag, or maybe a bonus or a food bonus. Or a lot of companies, what they do is they attach points to kudos, and with those points you can redeem them for maybe a company swag or a bonus or whatever it is that you want to make your rewards be. How we can analyze our top performers, what we can do is we can just go here and we will see our leaderboard, but also we can export our kudos for any day range that we want. So let's say our sprint is 2 weeks, we can do our 2-week sprint, and we can export that data into from DailyBot into maybe a spreadsheet or Google Sheets or wherever you want to. What we can also do is we can rank our kudos. If we go on settings, we can rank them not by receivers but by givers. So this is very important because it is not only who is receiving the most kudos, but who is making a better work environment and who is creating this tight ship of camaraderie and giving these kudos and making everybody feel good and recognized and happy. We can also reward these people and not only the people that are receiving kudos. Another very important part of our kudos are team values. Basically, with team values, what you can do is you can categorize your kudos. With this, you can not only track more intangible things, but you can also add things that are aligned with your company vision and with your values inside of your company. As you can see here in the analytics, not only you can see how many kudos are being given, but more importantly, you can see what team value is attached to those kudos. What we can do with this is we can create initiatives internally and promote them with our kudos. For example, let's say we are a software company and we want to incentivize the use of clean code, then we can do a clean code team value that people can utilize when they see somebody creating clean code, and we can reward the creation of clean code this way. So let's create a team value real quick. We can do this clean code team value very easily. It's just you name the team value, you select an emoji, and you add a very short description. And this can not only be used for initiatives, but all of your company vision, all the things that you want your company to work towards and implement internally. You can add a team value for that, and then you can track it and monitor it, and you can create an entire HR strategy regarding how your company is behaving internally.